Hey guys, let's see how to have a Tapo solar camera working on a MacBook. As you can see, I have my camera back there. This is the Tapo solar camera, the C402, but it also works with the C410 on any camera that you have there from Tapo. Super simple. The camera is here, pointed to the window and working pretty fine here with my cell phone. Let me just show you here that I have it working with the cell phone, and then I can use the same app here on my MacBook, right? So let me just bring here the app store and look for Tapo. Just come here on search and enter here Tapo, and here you go, TP-Link Tapo. That's the one. You just need to install it. I already have it here, so I just need to open and log in with my account. It's the same account there you log in with your cell phone. So just enter the password here to log into my account. There we go. And here you see the same way you can see on your cell phone. Okay, super simple. And then you can just select the camera that you want or any device that you want here, right? Here's my camera. When I select it, you see here that's working. I can double click to go full screen. And it works pretty fine. I can take a screenshot here, do manual recording, change the volume, do a voice call, talk, everything from here. And also can select different cameras. See here that I have 01 of 36. Can just move to the next one. I don't have an extra camera right now, but I can have more than one. And I can even come here and select more than one camera. See 2 screens, 4 screens, 6 and 9. So I select 4 screens here. For example, I can have the 4 cameras working, which is pretty good, and have a lot of Tapo cameras out there working. And back here to the menu, you have other features here that you can use as well. Everything from here. See here that I have the temperature sensor, and I can just monitor from here as well. I have my hub, so I can select and check my hub and everything from here. So basically, it's the same app that I have on your phone. You're gonna have here as well, and works pretty fine, right? So that's the way you can have your Tapo solar camera working on a MacBook Pro. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.